Hey guys, Jesse with Jesse's Farm Art and Custom Calls. It is like in the 90s today, super hot. The fish aren't biting. If I'm not fishing, I'm thinking about fishing. So I've got this piece of hickory that I cut, and we're going to turn that into a Hobo fishing reel. Alright, I've got this saw blade on the multi-tool. I'm going to come down a little from the top, about half an inch or so, 3/4 of an inch. Just going to score it all the way around. I'm going to go deep enough. This will be my spool, so I'm going to go deep enough, however deep I want my line to go. Now I'm going to come about 2 3/4, 3 inches down and score another line all the way around. Now that we've got our lines scored, we're gonna take the old Mora and remove that all the way between those lines. When you score it, it gives you a little stopping point. Makes it a lot easier. Alright, now that we've got that, we're going to sand it down a little bit. Alright, now that we've got that all sanded down, we are going to take it over here, drill a hole. the hole. Now I gotta go get a cork. Alright, we got a wine bottle cork here. And had to bore that hole out just a little bit. But that's where our hooks and sinkers and anything else we might be able to fit down there, that's where that'll go. Got your wine bottle cork. That'll hold it all in there. It's not going anywhere. So now what we do, take our line and we'll spool her up. I'm using 6 pound if you were wondering. I don't plan to catch huge whoppers on this, so 6 pound will work. Got our hook tied on. We're just gonna wrap that up and stick the hook there in the top to hold it. What you can do is, you got little sinkers, little hooks. They go right down in there. You'll have it when you need it. Hobo fishing reel, cowboy fishing reel, hillbilly fishing reel, whatever you want to call it. That simple. Now I'll have to make a video to show you how to use it. Thanks for watching.